Can you drive with a blown head gasket? It's dangerous driving a car with a blown head gasket. The reason is simple: it can cause irreparable damage to your car engine, which can decrease the performance of the engine. Not only that, you risk your life and that of your family too. There are other problems that are associated with a blown head gasket, which are the coolant and oil passageways, which cause it to leak into places it shouldn't. So what does the head gasket do? Before we dive in, quickly click on the subscriber button, like and share. We'll be back after the break. Your vehicle head gasket happens to be an important component that is within the engine of a vehicle. It is what is responsible for making sure that the pressures produced by the spark plugs with the ignition of fuel vapors stay inside the combustion chamber. There are various ways the head gasket can show different signs, which include: 1. Leaking oil externally. 2. A failed spark plugs. 3. The overheating exhaust brings out white smoke. 4. Bubbles in your radiator. How long can you drive your car with a blown head gasket? My answer to this question is simple: not very long. Once you observe the signs of a blown head gasket, you have little time to get it fixed. My reason is that once you have a blown head gasket, your vehicle will lose performing power, which will make it difficult for it to move. And this simply means that pistons in the combustion chamber won't have the ability to fire well, which causes a loss of power. Blown head gasket between cylinders. The engine head gasket is produced to maximize the force coming from the cylinder array, and the blockage against coolant, oil, and lubricant leakage. This can sometimes be a product of rubber, steel, copper, or other composite materials. Here are the reasons for blown head gasket between cylinders. The coolant levels and overheating. Note that overheating is one problem that causes a blown head gasket between cylinders. The engine surface finishing. To have the head gasket placed correctly into an engine, your cylinder head and vehicle engine block surface should be very smooth and flat. The tightening of bolt. There are head bolts used in protecting the gasket. They are vital in the maintenance of sealing the cylinder. Any thread that is not working well within the engine block will destabilize how the gasket is placed. This is why the bolt should be in good shape to give perfect sealing. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Bye.